welcome to Marlena's Quest. Today I'll be doing an unboxing, and this will be a special treat because it's going to be a jewelry unboxing. Last month during my birthday, I placed an order for some earrings, and so they finally came in. So I wanted to share what I purchased with you, and also it'll give me a chance to basically talk about a jewelry designer that's not really well known, and but I think should be getting more attention because their designs are absolutely beautiful. And because we hear about the other ones that we always hear about, the Van Cleefs, the Cartiers, and there's nothing wrong with them, but I just feel that there are other jewelry designers that should be getting attention as well. And so today, this particular jewelry designer that I will be unboxing is Pasquale Bruni. And it's Pasquale Bruni is founded in Italy in 1968, and it's a family-run business. And currently, his daughter Eugenia Bruni is the current creative director for the brand, and also Danielle Bruni is running the U.S. operations. So it's definitely a family-run business. Like I mentioned, around since 1968 in Valenza, Italy. And also their jewelry, like I said, the designs are exceptional. They're beautiful. They're different, and I just was drawn to it. I kind of stumbled upon them by accident. I guess when I was looking for some jewelry to purchase, and I just fell in love with the pieces, and that's why. So I wanted to share that with you. So kind of to kind of expose you to just different designers out there that should be getting the recognition they deserve. And that's kind of what I'd like to do on this channel as well, is to expose you to different designers, jewelry designers, fashion, or what have you, that should be getting attention because they're talented, or their pieces are unique, or what have you. So again, Pasquale Bruni, their jewelry is 100% handmade in Italy, and just to kind of give you a rough idea, they're high quality. So the diamonds that they usually use color F to G and clarity VVS or VS. And I know I mention that because that's some of the things that I would like to know about when I'm purchasing jewelry. Kind of the quality of the diamonds, the materials that they use. So that's one thing I look at. And also what's also kind of unique about them is they make sure that the metals that they use are non non allergic. So for example, like when you're using creating white gold, some jewelry makers will you mix gold with nickel to create that white gold look. But Pasquale Bruni, they do not do that. They use, for example, when you're creating something with white gold, they use white gold and palladium, which is allergy free. So that is, for me, that's important to me because I am allergic to nickel. So I was pleased to hear that they make sure that the metals, when they're mixing their metals, with the gold, that they are nickel free. So and they use all 18 karat gold. So just wanted to mention that. But when they do that mix, they don't use any nickel. So that's very good. And also their diamonds, they make sure they source their diamonds using the Kimberly process. And basically, if people are not familiar with that, it's basically um, process where they certify that the diamonds are not purchased from war zones or countries that support rebellions. So basically these diamonds are what they call conflict free. So basically his diamonds are conflict free, and so also that is very important, especially when looking for diamonds. You want to make sure that there are no issues surrounding that. So again, I wanted to kind of give you a quick background of Pasquale Bruni, and kind of the quality of their jewelry, the quality, the design, and just to kind of give you a rough idea of what why I was drawn to them. And also to get that, so that hopefully that'll give you a rough kind of overview of Pasquale Bruni, and just going to give you a taste for what they're about, and just like I said, I wanted to give that background information because some of the things that I mentioned, like this quality of the diamonds that they use, the metals, especially when you're purchasing high end jewelry, that is very important to understand those things and to know what you're paying for. So that's why I wanted to mention that. And also, I just want to kind of quickly mention some of my personal favorite collections from the Pasquale Bruni line. Some of my favorites are the Petite Jolie, the Bon Ton, and the Ton Jolie. Those are my favorite collections. He has several others that are, I mean, they're all his collections are beautiful, but those are my three favorites. And so the joy that I purchased is coming from the Petite Jolie collection. So without further ado, we're going to go into the boxing. I basically had the unboxing done while I was at the jewelry store because the lighting was really great. So I thought that was a great place to kind of do that unboxing. So I will be switching over to the videos to show you that unboxing, and then at the end I'll show you how it looked with the jewelry on. So hope you enjoy, and again I'll come back and show you how I look with the jewelry on. Okay. Enjoy.
Pasquale Bruni. That's nice. So in here, you can see the lapis here. This is so pretty. It's nice. Isn't that pretty?
It is.
That blue is just striking, which I love. And then the clasp, if you look back here, you're able to see that there's another one here that we can tighten it to.
Okay.
So we gotta try it. Make sure it fits you well, but
that's nice.
The rose gold is beautiful with the diamonds as well. All right. So in here, they wrap it a little different.
Oh wow, that's nice.
It's pretty.
That is.
Let me know if it's in there.
Okay, yeah.
You good?
Yeah, okay.
All right. I have a box within a box. Here's the magic.
Oh, zoom in.
So pretty.
Wow.
So hopefully you enjoyed that unboxing. Like when they first arrived and they did the unboxing in the jewelry store, I was just like, oh my goodness, it looks so amazing. Like especially the color, the lapis lazuli. That's the stone that the main stone, the blue stone that I selected. Because I just love that shade of blue, especially since my birthstone is a sapphire. I just love those deep shades of blue. So that's why I was drawn to it. And also, I'm kind of big on properties of stones and the benefits of different gemstones and how they benefit the wearer. So for lapis lazuli, some of the benefits were, I've got my little note card here. They enhance intellectual ability, memory, creativity, inner wisdom, intuition, and protection from negative energy. So those are some of the things, some of the qualities, or some of the benefits that lapis lazuli provide to the wearer. And also I wanted to mention something. You notice that the box for the earrings is totally different. For some bizarre reason, the earrings came before the box. So I don't know why, but yeah. So that's why the earrings were in a whole totally different box. So why I don't know, but anyway, but the box did eventually come in, but yeah. So like I said, here I am with here it is on. As you can see how and especially if you have multiple piercings, because I was afraid it'd be too large, and it's not. So like I said, it's the spacing is good, even with my multiple piercings. And then of course the color is just absolutely phenomenal. The color, how it shines through. Here's the bracelet on the wrist, the ring, and then it's rose gold, white, and champagne diamonds. And then also I showed you, and there's also the shots of the details of, right on the, along the ring, where they have the names engraved, and just those details, I think are just those little details. It just makes a huge difference, and it just shows the quality and the craftsmanship and the attention to detail. That's what I like to say, the attention to detail that Pasquale Bruni puts in all of their pieces. So, and also today I forgot to mention, this is a Carolina Herrera blouse. Just thought I'd mention that. This is from their CH line. So I just wanted to mention that in case anyone is interested. So I'll put the information for Pasquale Bruni in the description, link, so you can see all of their collections. And like I said, just check them out and read up on their history. And like I said, like I mentioned, the different the way they source their diamonds, their metals, and things of that nature. So like I said, I feel that they should, and they should be getting a lot more attention. So I'm hoping that this video will help, people to draw attention to them. Will help, for people to maybe look at, feel comfortable looking at other designers. I know there's the ones that are just flooding social media right now, and that everyone's looking at and everyone's, gravitating towards. But try to go outside their comfort zone a little bit. Look at other designers, because there's a lot of talented jewelry designers out there that are high quality, high end, and that I, know that people would enjoy. So anyway, like I said, I'll put more information in the description below. And again, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'll be doing more videos, fashion, jewelry, travel, things of that nature. So if you're interested in those type of things, make sure you subscribe. And again, thank you very much for your time. And again, so hopefully you'll check out Pasquale Bruni. Again, thank you very much, and have a good rest of the day. All right, thanks a lot. Bye.